The city of Corpus Christi invited the public to a storm drain cleaning demonstration. This event gave residents an up-close look at the impact blocked drains can have on the city. The city experienced record-breaking rainfall this summer, and by fall, already reached its yearly average. That's why city crews gathered at this ditch at Dairy Drive and Skyline and showed one of the ways they keep the storm drainage system clean.
It is important for the public to see, first of all, the work that we do, and second, the amount of debris that collects inside the storm system.
Storm drains like this are cleaned 2 to 3 times a year.
Well, as rain falls from the sky, it collects pollutants from the air and everything that it contacts on the ground.
And all of that rainwater, trash, and pollutants flow through the gutters and into one of more than 18,000 storm drain inlets throughout the city. These drains lead into ditches and ultimately the bay. Over time, drains and ditch grates can become clogged with plastic bags, brush, and other debris. These clogs can lead to backups and flooded streets. That's not the only problem. Because residents use fertilizers and pesticides on their yards, lawn trimmings and brush can contribute to water pollution.
Residents can help us by not setting their yard waste out before the collection time, and also to not blow grass clippings out to the street.
Turner also says to follow the instructions on the labels of lawn chemicals. If you see any blocked drains, ditches, or need to report any illegal dumping, call 361-826-CITY. To stay up to date with what's going on in the city, head over to news.cctexas.com. For the city of Corpus Christi, I'm Dale Stefan reporting.